You will love the features of this 2022 Toyota Camry. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.